This code would take a developer 3 hours to write. AI did it in 10 seconds, and it works perfectly. Let me show you exactly how.
So here's something most people don't know. There are thousands of different programming languages out there, and code written in one language doesn't work in another.
It's like trying to read Japanese when you only speak English. Same ideas, completely different way of writing them.
In my world, trading and finance, there are 2 major platforms: TradingView, which uses a language called PineScript, and MetaTrader, which uses a language called MQL4. They both do the same thing, analyze charts and find trading signals. But the code looks completely different. So if you find an amazing indicator on TradingView and you want to use it on MetaTrader, you have to manually rewrite every single line. It takes hours. Trust me, I've done this hundreds of times. But today, I'm testing if AI can do my entire job in seconds. So before we start converting, I want to show you guys how to spot, or you can say how to get, high-quality PineScript indicators from TradingView. So what we are going to do is we are already in the TradingView website. What we are going to do next is click on the indicator bar. You will see the search bar. Now we are going to type Premium into the search bar, and it's going to give us some results automatically. Now you can see all the results here are users that uploads high-quality PineScript indicators. You can go on and click on any one you like. We are going to click on the first one. Now you can see the Premium tag beside this username. That's how you know this user uploads premium PineScript indicators in his page. Now scroll down, click on the Script button, click on All Types, and select Indicators. You can now go through the page and choose any indicator you want. Here's what we're working with. This is a real trading indicator written in PineScript. It's got 158 lines of code. Moving averages, signal calculations, alert conditions, the works. Normally, converting this to MT4 would take me about 2 to 3 hours, or I would have been in the MQL4 website looking for and begging a coder in that website to take my $50 and convert it to MT4 or MT5. Every function name is different. The syntax is different. Even how you draw on the chart is completely different between these 2 platforms. All right, I'm going to paste this entire thing into AI and ask it to convert it. We are going to be using Google Anti-Gravity IDE. It has all sorts of AI models. It has Claude Opus 4.5 and the newer 4.6. It has Google Gemini 3 Pro. So we are going to paste it into the chat box. No hand-holding, no line-by-line guidance. Just, here's the code, give me the MT4 version. Let's see what happens. All right, I'm pasting all 158 lines into Anti-Gravity chat box. My prompt is simple. Next is, I'm going to tell it where to save the MT4 file when it's done converting it. And go. Okay, it's already writing. Look at that. It's setting up the indicator properties. It's analyzing the PineScript code and planning the MT4 conversions. It's now writing the MT4 indicator with all signals. It's fixing the JMA coloring. All these is being done automatically in minutes. You can see the MQL4 codes here. It's currently 616 lines of code being written in minutes. Now that's done converting it, 120 seconds. It just wrote 616 lines of MQL4 code in 2 minutes. But here's the thing, writing code is easy. The question is, does it actually work? Moment of truth. I'm pasting this into MetaEditor, that's the MT4 code editor, and hitting compile. 0 errors on the first try. That almost never happens even when I write code manually. Okay, let's say for instance you compiled your code and got an error, because even the smartest AI models can get something wrong sometimes or miss something. All you have to do is copy the error you got from the terminal below, go back to the anti-gravity chat box, and paste it there, and tell it to fix the error. Okay, so boom, it's going to go through the code, find out where the error is, and fix it within less than 2 minutes. Next, we are going to go back to the MetaEditor, find the MT4 file we converted that we just fixed the compile errors. We are going to click on Compile button again, and boom! As you can see, the errors has been fixed. So this is how you can fix any compile errors you get with ease whenever you're converting your PineScript indicator to MT4 or MT5 indicator, or creating an MT4 or MT5 trading robot. Okay, so we've fixed all the errors. Let's load it up into our chart to see what we did if this working as expected. So, loading it up on gold, 1-hour chart, and there it is, working perfectly. Let me compare it side by side with the original. Oh, look at this. Same signals, same calculations, same arrows, same levels. The AI didn't just translate the code, it understood the logic behind it. This buy signal here matches. This sell signal matches. The moving averages? Identical. In, let's say, 5 minutes tops, including the time we spent fixing the errors, AI did what would have taken me 3 hours to do. Or someone like me with little to no knowledge of coding would have had to spend from $50 to $100 to hire someone that can do this for me. But as you can see, AI did it in minutes, and we are off to do other things we would like to do with our time. Okay, now I've spent the last few minutes teaching you guys how to get high-quality premium PineScript indicators from TradingView, how to convert the PineScript indicators to MT4 using Google IDE called Anti-Gravity. I also showed you how to fix any compile errors. Now, what I want to teach you next is how to add any modification you want to this MT4 indicator. You can add anything or remove anything you want. Let's go! Now I'm typing in my prompt, telling it what I want to add to the indicator. I'm trying to add RSI filters, and am also trying to add ATR distance for the arrow signals. When I'm done typing in the prompt, I'm going to hit Enter and let it do the work. It's generating now and adding all the filters we want to add, all the MTF interpolations, and every other thing we feel like we need in the indicator. When it's done, we are going to compile it again and show all the new things we added in the indicator. I am going to compile this indicator. After adding all the new things we need in the indicator, I am going to compile it and try to open it to show you guys all the new things we added in the indicator. If you look carefully, you would see everything we added, like the arrow distance, the RSI filter, the MTF settings for multiple time frames, and the performance settings. These are just the new things we want to add. For tutorial purposes, you can add anything or any filter you want for your indicator.
All right, let's be real for a second. Is AI going to replace programmers?
No, not yet. Here's what AI is really good at, Das. Repetitive translation and
Like this, taking code that already exists and converting it.
But could it have built this indicator from scratch? Probably not, at least not without a lot of guidance. AI is a tool, not a replacement. But as a tool, it just saved me 3 hours of boring, repetitive work. If you want to see me test AI on harder coding challenges, like building an entire application from scratch, or having AI write a trading bot, make sure you subscribe. I'm going to be pushing AI to its limits on this channel. Drop a comment below. What should I have AI build next? I'll pick the best suggestion for my next video.
Until then, I'll see you in the next one.